Oh, look, Teddy. This is a flower. And this is a tree. I don't know what this is, but it's pretty, isn't it? Oops.
It doesn't make any noise, though. Would Teddy like to hear my drum? It's really loud.
Oh, yes, it is, isn't it? Really loud. Thank you, Noisy. Now, oh, look. A feather. Don't see many of those. Or hear many of them.
I've got a trumpet on my head.
Oh.
Good, isn't it?
Hello, you lot. Can't stop. Bye.
Stripey, Sporty was jogging backwards.
What's that, Teddy? Yes, he is. Very silly.
Whoa! Whoa!
Sorry, Tiny. I didn't see you.
I'm not surprised. You were jogging backwards.
Yes. Clever, isn't it?
Well,
You see, I love jogging, but I got fed up going forwards. Now, going backwards, that's a real challenge. Must get on. I'm timing myself. Bye. Hup, 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 hup,
Sporty! Look out!
Oh.
Noisy. I didn't see you, sorry.
Noisy, are you hurt?
Oh. Oh.
Noisy, what's the matter?
I can't stop making this strange noise.
Stripey, do you know what's wrong with Noisy?
Yes. She has the hiccups.
The hiccups. I've got the hiccups.
Oh dear. Was it something I said?
This is a mystery. What can we do to stop them?
Oh. Tickling can help. Aha! Tickling with a feather.
Oh, great. Now I've got the honkerlots as well.
This is awful. We're just making things worse.
Stand back, everyone. I have an idea. This is bound to work. I'll bump the hiccups into you. I'll bump them out.
Yes, he is. Very silly.
Ah! Sporty! Now I can't stop bouncing.
Oh, Noisy. I'm sorry. Stripey, do you think Noisy will have the hiccups forever?
Forever! Ah!
Don't worry, Noisy. I'll catch you.
Tiny, there's one thing we haven't tried yet.
What's that?
I'll show you. Boo.
What was that?
A sudden fright.
You think giving Noisy a sudden fright might cure her?
Oh, yes. But I'm not sure I'm right for the job.
No, Stripey. Neither am I. But I know the one who is. We're desperate, Scary. Noisy's having a horrible time. Can you help?
They don't call me scary for nothing. Now, as I see it, timing is everything.
Scary,
And the
any ideas?
Why, yes. I've just the thing.
Noisy.
So, I shall hide.
And we just pretend nothing much is happening.
Yes, and then, when she's least expecting it, I'll do my scary thing.
How scary.
Oh, very scary. Quick, they're coming. I must hide.
Noisy! Phew! There you are, Noisy.
Noisy? Well, this is nice.
Nice? Tiny, Noisy's still got the hiccups.
I hate the hiccups a lot.
Well, maybe we can,
Pat her on her back.
Okay.
Gently.
Any other bright idea?
Allez, whoop! Hello. Sorry.
Scary was trying to give you a big fright. It's a good way of making the hiccups go away.
But it didn't work. All my fault.
I'm quite good at blowing up balloons.
It's no one's fault, Scary.
No one's listening. I'll blow it up anyway.
Oh, failure is so hard to bear.
So are the hiccups.
Just a few more puffs.
Wow!
Teddy! Save Teddy! Hooray!
Well done, Noisy!
Magnificent performance.
Was it?
You saved Teddy.
Oh, yes. Here he is, Stripey.
Thank you, Noisy.
I did jump high, didn't I? Well, hey! And it was a really good catch, too.
Noisy, have you noticed something?
What's that, Tiny?
Your hiccups have stopped.
You're right! Hooray! No more hiccups!
Here's your balloon, Scary. Sorry, it's gone all floppy. And it sort of went bang!
Hey, never mind, Sporty. It's all right now. Noisy is cured.
And Teddy says he quite enjoyed flying.
So, everything's back to normal. That's good. Look, if no one minds, I'll just get on with my jogging then. I'm a bit behind schedule.
Okay.
Bye then.
Wait a minute. He's still jogging backwards. Sporty! Look out! That was a nasty bang.
Don't worry, I'm fine. Nothing to worry about.
Here we go again.